Hey guys, Jason Guyman here with ChristmasLightTraining.com, Christmas Light Community, and today I want to show you what happens when we install and not install the takedown. They did this is an employee doing this, so I've got to make sure that they know better. But this is why we want to do what we want to do here, and I'll show you here. But before that, please go down and subscribe to my channel, and I'd appreciate it very much. Trying to get to 1,000 by Christmas, or at least 500. So thanks, please subscribe. Alright, so you can see that up here on this pillar, and if this could be a house or a pillar, I went and I pulled the extension cord down and it unplugged because they didn't do an overhand knot. If they'd have done an overhand knot, I could pull every one of these lights down, never have to get a ladder out, don't have to get a pole out, don't have to get nothing out. And what I mean by overhanding is we will take, instead of just plugging the two plugs in, the male and the female in, like so, what happens when we go to pull it, it will unplug. If we do an overhand knot like this, we go to pull it down, it will actually keep it tight. And that's why we want to do this with all our plugs up in, when we're putting up extension cord, we're running it on the ground. That way if somebody steps on it, it don't come unplugged. So that is why we want to do our plugs and wrap them around like that. If you would like to learn how to do Christmas lights on a roof, check out this video. If you'd like to learn how to make extension cords and wires, check out this video. Thanks and have a great day.